This is how we make our multigrain rice using the Instant Pot. We use the Instant Pot because I just don't have all day to spend in the kitchen, and we cook multigrain rice because it's just yummier, better in texture, and so much vitamins and minerals and fibers. So we mix basmati rice, black rice, quinoa, and some millet sometimes, and what have you, whatever I can find in the kitchen. And we use a 1:1 ratio between the grains, the rice, and the water, and we just cook it in the Instant Pot. Sometimes we put it on a timer if I don't have time, or I just use the regular rice button for 15 minutes, and you shall cover it. Make sure it's unsealed button so it will cook, and don't forget that part. And we shall come back after 15 minutes, and there you go, it's done. And let's open it and look at the rice, and let's check it. It's fluffy, it's well done, and you can use it.